Spider plant you can grow in water as well. So if you are a beginner, just find a plastic container, put fresh water and insert these beautiful baby reds in it and you will see a beautiful plant growing in water. So this is also for a beginner, and as a beginner you can easily grow low maintenance and permanent plants for your home garden. This is one of the indoor plants too. Top 5 houseplants to begin your gardening with. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you some plants that you can start up gardening with. If you're a beginner gardener or if you're a person who doesn't have any knowledge about gardening, you can simply start up with these plants. So you can grow them outdoors and indoors both. These are house plants as well. So let's start the video with the spider plant. So the spider plant is very easy to grow and this is a low maintenance and a permanent plant. Once you bring it from a nursery, keep it in a shady area in your garden or as an indoor plant. So this is the thing that you'll have to keep in mind. Two things: do not expose this to the bright sunlight area, don't keep it in the direct sun, and the other thing is do not overwater. Check the soil and water this plant. So the spider plant is an air purification plant. Time to time you can see once the plant mature, these plants produces these spiderets or the baby plants. So you can multiply the spider plant very easily. So if you are a beginner, to start up with, bring a spider plant home. So you can put them in small planters or bigger ample planters. This plant will grow very easily. There are many videos that I have uploaded to my channel. You can check for more information and I will put the links in the description too. The next very easy to grow plant is the money pothos plant. If you are a beginner, just with a single stem cutting in water or else in soil, you can grow this beautiful plant money pothos. This is also another shade loving plant. Do not keep it in the bright direct sunlight area. And also this plant also prefers low watering. If you have kept it in a corner in your home as a house plant, do not go to water every day. Check the soil and water, because by over watering only you are killing this plant. So keep it in the shade and water every other day, or else give it a mist spray in the morning after checking the soil. If you are a beginner, you can simply bring this plant also to your home, money pothos or the money plant. There are many varieties too, but easily you can grow the golden pothos. And also this is another low maintenance and a permanent plant. Golden pothos and neon pothos in water. Once you keep it near a window, they can get the filtered sunlight, which is really very good for the plant to grow. They grow really very healthily in water too. Those plants also you can easily propagate in water. As a beginner, start with those pothos plants cuttings. They grow in no time and this is very easy for you. So this is one of the plants as a beginner you can grow. This is marble queen pothos, one of the varieties of pothos plants. Another plant to start up gardening with is the snake plant. Snake plant also very easy to grow and low maintenance. You don't need to water them on regular basis as well. So this plant also can be multiplied very easily by dividing or with a single leaf cutting. You will see many baby plants are appearing after a very short period of time. You can see these plants produces baby plants and you can easily multiply them. So the benefit of keeping this beautiful house plant is they are air purifier plants. So a beginner gardener can easily grow them. There are many varieties also. Look at the bird nest snake plant. This is Sansevieria plants. So friends, these are very easy to grow plants and you can multiply by dividing or with a leaf cutting. As a gardener, if someone asks me what is the most easy to grow plant, I will answer as lucky bamboo, because now see, these are in water. A beginner gardener can easily grow them once you keep them in a shady corner in your garden or doesn't direct them to the direct sunlight. Then you will see how bushily these plants will grow. So if you place them indoors as an indoor plant, see that it get the filtered sunlight. Once you keep them as outdoor plants in your outdoor garden, see that it is located in area where they get the partial to medium sunlight. Do not overwater. Check the soil and water these plants. And also this this is an ideal plant for a beginner since they are low maintenance and permanent. So have this plant also in your house plants collection as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is another low maintenance plant which can be grown outside the garden or else as indoor plants. This also can be grown with a single stem cutting in water or else directly in soil. This belongs to the family of Dracaena and is one of the best plants for your home. And for a beginner, you can grow them very easily even without fertilizer. Doesn't need much care and doesn't need much fertilizer. The thing is, you don't overwater them or else do not expose them to the bright sunlight. Keep them in mind when you're growing this beautiful house plant, lucky bamboo. Here one of the syngonium varieties in water. I have done a video about how to grow plants in water. That also can be applied to those beginners who are waiting to do gardening but still doesn't have any knowledge. So syngonium plants are one of the best plants for beginners. Either you can grow them in water or in soil. Syngonium or the arrowhead plant, another low maintenance permanent plant which a beginner gardener can easily grow. There are many varieties. Try with the common syngonium. They are very easy to grow from stems and they prefer the semi-shade. Do not expose them to the bright sunlight area. This is another plant for your plants collection.